Here's how to install the toner for a Brother HL-L2400DW printer. The first thing you need to do is remove this orange strip around the toner. So take it off from one side and then remove it from the other side. You can discard of this after, we don't need it. On the left side of the printer, you'll notice there is a gap for you to put your thumb or finger in. So just put it towards you and the front cover will open up. This is where we're going to insert the toner. Hold the toner like this with the Brother label facing you. And now we're just going to glide it inside the printer like this. So it should just fit in nicely. Now, once it's here, you want to press it in and it will make a clicking sound. And then it shouldn't wobble around, which means it's inserted properly. To replace an existing toner, hold it by the same handle and pull it up and towards you, and it will just glide out of place, and then you can go ahead and replace it with the new one using the exact same method. So that's pretty much it. The last thing you need to do now is flip up the lid and make sure it clicks. So if you found this video useful, then please like and subscribe.